Mexico, a land of vibrant culture, ancient history, and stunning landscapes, is a destination that captivates travelers with its diversity and charm. From the turquoise waters of the Caribbean to the bustling streets of Mexico City, Mexico offers something for every traveler. In 2025, Mexico continues to enchant visitors with its rich heritage, delicious cuisine, and breathtaking natural wonders. Whether you're exploring the ancient ruins of Chichén Itzá, relaxing on the pristine beaches of Cancun, or savoring the flavors of authentic tacos and mole, Mexico is a country that promises unforgettable experiences. Join us as we explore the top 10 must-see destinations in Mexico. Each place on this list is a treasure waiting to be discovered. Let's dive into the wonders of this incredible country and uncover its hidden gems. Mexico is home to 35 UNESCO World Heritage Sites, including ancient ruins, colonial cities, and natural wonders. It is the birthplace of chocolate, with the ancient Mayans and Aztecs being the first to cultivate cacao. Mexico is the world's largest producer of silver and is famous for its vibrant handicrafts, such as pottery, textiles, and jewelry. The country is also known for its diverse cuisine, which has been recognized by UNESCO as an intangible cultural heritage. Mexico is home to the world's smallest volcano, the Cuexcomate, which stands at just 13 meters tall. The Great Pyramid of Cholula is the largest pyramid in the world by volume. With its rich history, stunning landscapes, and warm hospitality, Mexico is a must-visit destination. Cancun, located on the Yucatan Peninsula, is a destination of stunning beaches, turquoise waters, and vibrant nightlife. Known as the Gateway to the Caribbean, Cancun is famous for its luxurious resorts, world-class dining, and endless entertainment options. The city's beaches, such as Playa Delfines and Playa Tortugas, are perfect for swimming, sunbathing, and water sports. Cancun is also a hub for exploring nearby attractions, such as the ancient ruins of Tulum and the natural wonders of Zelha Park. Whether you're relaxing on the beach, exploring its attractions, or enjoying its nightlife, Cancun is a destination that will leave you enchanted. Mexico City, the capital of Mexico, is a vibrant metropolis of rich history, stunning architecture, and vibrant culture. The city's historic center, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is home to iconic landmarks such as the Zócalo, the Metropolitan Cathedral, and the National Palace. Mexico City is also known for its world-class museums, such as the National Museum of Anthropology and the Frida Kahlo Museum. The city's culinary scene is a highlight, with everything from street food to fine dining. Whether you're exploring its historic landmarks, enjoying its cultural offerings, or savoring its cuisine, Mexico City is a destination that will captivate your heart. Tulum, located on the Caribbean coast, is a destination of stunning beaches, ancient ruins, and bohemian charm. The town is famous for its well-preserved Mayan ruins, which are perched on a cliff overlooking the turquoise waters of the Caribbean Sea. Tulum's beaches, such as Playa Paraíso and Playa Ruinas, are perfect for swimming, sunbathing, and snorkeling. The town is also known for its eco-friendly resorts, yoga retreats, and vibrant nightlife. Whether you're exploring its ancient ruins, relaxing on the beach, or enjoying its bohemian vibe, Tulum is a destination that will leave you enchanted. Chichén Itzá, one of the new 7 wonders of the world, is a must-see destination in Mexico. The ancient Mayan city is home to iconic landmarks such as the El Castillo Pyramid, the Temple of the Warriors, and the Great Ball Court. The site's intricate carvings and architectural feats are a testament to the ingenuity of the Mayan civilization. Chichén Itzá is also known for its astronomical significance, with the El Castillo Pyramid designed to align with the equinoxes. Whether you're exploring its ancient ruins, learning about its history, or simply soaking in its beauty, Chichén Itzá is a destination that will leave you inspired. Oaxaca, located in southern Mexico, is a destination of rich history, vibrant culture, and stunning landscapes. The city's historic center, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is home to iconic landmarks such as the Santo Domingo Church and the Zócalo. Oaxaca is also known for its vibrant markets, such as the Mercado 20 de Noviembre, where visitors can sample local delicacies such as mole and tlayudas. The surrounding region offers stunning landscapes, including the Hierve El Agua rock formations and the Monte Alban archaeological site. Whether you're exploring its historic landmarks, enjoying its cultural offerings, or venturing into the surrounding landscapes, Oaxaca is a destination that will captivate your heart. Guanajuato, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a destination of stunning architecture, rich history, and vibrant culture. The city's colorful streets, colonial buildings, and underground tunnels are a must-see. Guanajuato is also known for its vibrant cultural scene, with festivals such as the Cervantino Festival showcasing the city's art and history. The nearby La Valenciana mine offers a glimpse into the city's silver mining past. Whether you're exploring its historic landmarks, enjoying its cultural offerings, or simply soaking in its charm, Guanajuato is a destination that will leave you enchanted. Puerto Vallarta, located on Mexico's Pacific coast, is a destination of stunning beaches, vibrant culture, and outdoor adventures. The city's Malecon, a seaside promenade, is a hub of activity with sculptures, street performers, and restaurants. Puerto Vallarta is also known for its stunning beaches, such as Playa Los Muertos and Playa Conchas Chinas, which are perfect for swimming, sunbathing, and water sports. The surrounding region offers opportunities for hiking, ziplining, and whale watching. Whether you're relaxing on the beach, exploring its attractions, or enjoying its outdoor activities, Puerto Vallarta is a destination that will leave you enchanted. Merida, the capital of the Yucatan Peninsula, is a destination of rich history, vibrant culture, and stunning architecture. The city's historic center, with its colonial buildings and colorful streets, is a must-see. Merida is also known for its vibrant cultural scene, with festivals, music, and dance showcasing the city's Mayan and Spanish heritage. The nearby Uxmal archaeological site offers a glimpse into the ancient Mayan civilization. Whether you're exploring its historic landmarks, enjoying its cultural offerings, or venturing into the surrounding landscapes, Merida is a destination that will captivate your heart. Cabo San Lucas, located at the southern tip of the Baja California Peninsula, is a destination of stunning beaches, rugged landscapes, and vibrant nightlife. The city's iconic landmarks, such as El Arco and Lover's Beach, are must-see attractions. Cabo San Lucas is also known for its world-class resorts, golf courses, and water sports. The surrounding region offers opportunities for whale watching, snorkeling, and desert adventures. Whether you're relaxing on the beach, exploring its attractions, or enjoying its nightlife, Cabo San Lucas is a destination that will leave you enchanted. Palenque, located in the jungles of Chiapas, is a destination of stunning ancient ruins and lush landscapes. The ancient Mayan city is home to iconic landmarks such as the Temple of the Inscriptions, the Palace, and the Temple of the Cross. The site's intricate carvings and architectural feats are a testament to the ingenuity of the Mayan civilization. Palenque is also known for its lush surroundings, with opportunities for hiking and wildlife spotting. Whether you're exploring its ancient ruins, learning about its history, or simply soaking in its beauty, Palenque is a destination that will leave you inspired. And there you have it, the top 10 must-see destinations in Mexico for 2025. From the vibrant streets of Mexico City to the breathtaking beauty of Palenque, Mexico is a country that never fails to enchant. But we want to hear from you. Which of these places is at the top of your bucket list? Have you already visited any of them? Drop a comment below and let us know. If you enjoyed this journey through Mexico, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our next adventure. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep discovering the wonders of the world.